Alright guys, now we have the Yaris G-Spec. Basically this is the same car as the Vios. It has projector headlamps, DRL, sporty design, bumpers, fog lamp, 16-inch rims, and very cool color. And the rear part, the lights is slightly different, and we have a cool spoiler. We have a full-size spare tire. Alright, first impression is it has a very solid steering, but I wish the leather could be better. And this variant in Yaris, we don't have the pedal shifter like the Vios, but everything else is pretty similar. You have a touchscreen over here, and this is touchscreen also for the climate control. Right. One more thing that I like is Yaris, you do get this black roof liner. I feel that the black one looks more sporty and easier for us to maintain. Okay, you can see these spaces I have in the rear. This is slightly my driving position. I am 169 tall and I have this much of headroom. The interior is pretty similar with the Vios. It just you don't get the leather seats that Vios get. You have a fabric seats, and you don't have the center armrest in the rear. Handling is quite nice. Steering is very weighted, nice and precise. Acceleration also good. More than enough for daily use. uneven road, potholes. You won't feel jarring inside. Also feel very composed during high speed. So in this variant, the dash cam also integrated.
Yes.
So this car same has eco and sport mode.
Yeah, same as yours also.
Let me try the sports mode. So this is the reverse camera with the 360 degree camera.